Hi mga ka-locals! Share ko lang sa inyo my Pancake House cravings. Alam nyo naman na once in a while I would really share with you guys my Pancake House cravings. Syempre plus point na rin na ang lapit niya sa house namin. Anyway, this is what I always get. I love their house special set A kasi kompletong-kompleto na from their tacos. Can I just say, ang sarap nitong tacos nila, very siksik and super bet ko the meat inside. Plus, syempre, the cheese on top as well. Then, eto, meron na rin siyang kasamang spaghetti, which I love kasi very meaty as well. Ayan, grabe, pagising ko pa lang nung morning na to, sabi ko na agad kay Hobby, gusto ko talaga ng Pancake House. Tapos, meron na rin siyang kasamang chicken. Although, nung time na to, parang medyo dry the chicken, pero okay na rin kasi craving satisfied talaga. Ayan, kayo ba mga ka-locals, what's your favorite sa Pancake House and what's your go-to order? Best